So welcome dear students. Today we are going to see about the topic that is projectile motion. You know very well what is meant by the projectile. Projectile क्या होता है? Projectile is nothing but the any object, कोई भी एक object projected into the space. कहाँ projected है? Space में projected है. In such a way that it moves under the effect of gravity. मतलब डेफिनेशन कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे हम प्रोजेक्टाइल को? प्रोजेक्टाइल इज नथिंग बट द एनी ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोजेक्टेड इनटू द स्पेस इन सच अ वे दैट इट विल मूव्स अंडर द इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रेविटी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रोजेक्टाइल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज एज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, चॉक एक हाथ से मैं दूसरे हाथ पे ट्रांसफर कर दूँ तो क्या होगा? दिस चॉक इज प्रोजेक्टेड इनटू दिस स्पेस. कहाँ प्रोजेक्टेड हो गया? स्पेस में, लेकिन किसके इफेक्ट के साथ? ग्रेविटी के इफेक्ट के साथ. ठीक है. सो ये ऑब्जेक्ट क्या बना? प्रोजेक्टाइल बना. अगर मैं बॉल को किक मारती हूँ पाँव से तो वो बॉल क्या बना? प्रोजेक्टाइल बना. ठीक है. सो प्रोजेक्टाइल मतलब क्या होता है? कोई भी एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो स्पेस में प्रोजेक्टेड है और कैसे मूव होता है, किसके अकॉर्डेंस मूव होता है? अकॉर्डेंस विद द ग्रेविटी. ठीक है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रोजेक्टाइल. And motion of the projectile under the effect of gravity is called as the projectile motion. समझ में आया? projectile and projectile motion. Then we have the point that is the velocity of projection. So velocity of projection is nothing but the velocity with which that object moves into the space under the effect of gravity is called as the velocity of projection. उसके बाद आता है angle of projection. Angle of projection. So angle made by this velocity of projection to the horizontal surface, that is called as the angle of projection. उसके बाद आता है trajectory. So trajectory is nothing but the path followed by the projectile. Means total path covered by the projectile is called, कहाँ पे cover होगा? स्पेस में. The path followed by the projectile in the space, that is called as the trajectory. अब इसको कैसे बताएंगे? This is suppose the xy plane. This is the x axis. This is y axis, and this is the origin. Okay. So the velocity of projection. So जैसे मैंने एक कोई ऑब्जेक्ट ये ओरिजिन से जा रहा है, so initially it have the velocity that is u. So this is for the velocity of projection. क्योंकि कैसे जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट? इस प्रकार से. ठीक है. So this is for the initial velocity u. So this is the velocity of projection. And with this velocity vector to this horizontal surface, मतलब ये दोनों जो एंगल क्रिएट करेंगे, एक्स एक्सिस होगी u, वो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? एंगल ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन. ठीक है. और ये जो पूरा पाथ है, ये पूरे पाथ को क्या बोलेंगे? स्पेस में जितना पाथ ट्रैवल करता है उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग ट्रैजेक्टरी. और ये जो हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस ऑन द सरफेस है, मतलब इसको अगर कंसिडर करेंगे सपोज पॉइंट ए. सो दिस OA is nothing but the what? This is the range of the projectile, and along this y direction, this maximum distance from the ground surface to this height is called as the height of projectile. समझ में? So this is the height, this is the range of projectile, this is the velocity vector, this is the angle of projection, this is the trajectory. So trajectory का जो शेप है इसके फॉर्म में है वो, that is in the form of parabolic path. कौन सा पाथ है ये? Parabolic path. Okay. Now we have to find out the equation for this path of the projectile. So for that we have to consider again the two-dimensional system. This is suppose x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is again the origin O. This is the path of projectile, suppose. Okay, this is initially our velocity vector, that is the u, initial velocity. This initial velocity can be resolved into two parts, along the x-axis and along the y-axis. So along the x-axis it is the ux and along the y-axis this is the uy. This ux can be considered as the u cos theta and this uy is considered as u sin theta. Okay, now we have to find out the equation of path of the projectile. So for that we have to consider the kinematical equation. You know the kinematical equation for the distance or the displacement, s equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, so along the x-axis sx equals to, this is ux into t plus half ax into t square, and along the y-axis this is sy equals to uy into t plus half ay into t square. Okay, now firstly we are going to derive the equation for this x. So consider this sx as suppose x. This xx equals to suppose x. Now ux equals to what? That is the u cos theta into t plus half of. Now ax is nothing but the acceleration due to gravity along the x-axis. So this along the x-axis it will be 0. That is 0 into t square. So what will we get? We get x equals to u cos theta into t. Therefore t equals to x upon u cos theta. So this is the equation for the t. By using this equation t, we have to solve again the equation for sy. Okay, so sy, consider this sy equals to y. uy equals to क्या हमारे पास? We have uy equals to u sin theta into t plus half of ay means acceleration due to gravity along the x direction. So as path will be like this. So acceleration due to gravity is equals to the minus g into the t square. So it is u sin theta into t क्या है? t है x upon u cos theta plus half minus g into t again x upon u cos theta, उसका बनेगा ये स्क्वायर. Okay, so it will be, ये कैसे बनता है इक्वेशन? y equals to, this is take out x common, x into this is, we are only rearranging this equation. ये इक्वेशन को हमें सिर्फ rearrange करना है. This is u cos theta plus minus g upon u square cos square theta into x square. Okay, that is equals to, suppose this u sin theta upon u cos theta is nothing but the tan theta. So it is the tan theta into x plus this is as it is suppose minus g upon u square cos square theta into x square. So this quantity in the bracket and this quantity in the bracket is considered as a constant quantity. So it will be ax plus bx square. So this, why we are writing this? Because the what is the path of this trajectory? The path is nothing but the parabola. So we are finding the standard deviation for the parabola. Means it is nothing but as we are considering, we are confirming here the path followed by the projectile is the parabola. So this is the standard form of the equation of parabola and this gives the path of the projectile. Okay, hope you all learn all this what we are studying here. Okay, thank you.